Hey guys, if you're seeing the content not installed or purchased to play error in Battlefield 6, here's how to fix it. Start by opening Battlefield 6 and going into settings. From there, go to system, insert system menu, you'll find an option called install/uninstall. Open that and you'll see the different game components listed. Even if something looks installed, you still need to select it manually. Highlight the mode you're trying to play. If it isn't installed, press the install button and let it download. After it finishes, restart the game and try launching it again. If you're on PlayStation, there's another step you can try. Go back to your console's home screen, highlight Battlefield 6, press the options button and select manage game content. This page shows every part of the game, single player, multiplayer, HD textures and other add-ons. Check what's missing and install anything you haven't downloaded yet. If the error still appears after installing everything, press the options button again and choose restore license. This refreshes your ownership permissions and tells system that you have already purchased the game. Once the license is restored, restart Battlefield 6 and error should be gone. And yeah, there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.